Blackstone and make a Colorado roasted green chili cheeseburger. Let's give it a try. Welcome back, everybody. I'm down here at the 31st annual Pueblo Chili and Frijoles Festival in downtown Pueblo, Colorado, with my buddy Joey Muso from Muso Market. I've been going down to the Pueblo Chili and Frijoles Festival for the past 5 or 6 years. The festival has sort of become the unofficial kickoff to the fall season in southern Colorado. Tent after tent with seasonal treats, spicy sauces, and the culinary smells of the American Southwest. The food vendors, and the aroma of roasted green chili in the air. I look forward to the festival all year. I daydream about the breakfast burritos and green chili burgers that I'll make, and it's my chance to put a few bushels of roasted Pueblo green chili in the freezer to last until the following year and my return to the festival. After strolling through all the tents and displays, I always refresh my thirst with the delicious agua frescas at the festival before getting down to business with Joey and his team at Muso Market.
The Muso family's been here for 31 years. My grandpa Carl Muso started peddling produce outside of high school. Essentially, it was to save the family farm. He made a sign that said 5 dozen corn for $1, and he put it outside of the house, and the rest is history. In 2008, I took it over, and I've had it for 17 years now. Well, we like to put the raw garlic in the chili.
You can add garlic to your chilies as they roast, and the result is a bunch of garlic with that delicious roasted chili flavor, and even a hint of roasted garlic flavor in your chili. Win-win. The chilies are roasted in custom-made steel chili roasters fueled by propane. The temperature is probably in the 500 to 700 degree range. Joey sprays the chilies at the beginning to help create steam that assists the chili skin in bubbling and peeling off. The chilies are sprayed at the end of the roasting process to cool them off so they don't continue to cook. The steaming hot chilies are immediately bagged up, which allows them to sweat. It's recommended that you leave them steam in the bag for a few hours before peeling and processing your green chili. That's hot!
It's got to be well over 600 degrees.
And you know Muso sells their famous chili wraps. They fire up their Blackstone Griddles, and it's really simple. A flour tortilla with cheese and a fresh roasted Pueblo green chili. That's it. You can buy one, you can buy two, or you can buy 3 for $20, and people line up to buy them. It's been a blast hanging out with my buddy Joey at Muso Market. I need to get home, fire up the Blackstone, and make a Colorado green chili cheeseburger. Back from the chili festival, I have some processed chilies right here. Let's make a delicious Colorado green chili smash burger. But we'll take a short break to show you how I process my chili peppers. I have a bushel of the medium, the big Jims right here. New apparel for cooking with Pueblo green chili. This is what they look like after they've been roasted. There's one of those beautiful cloves of garlic. I did the first bushel last night. This is what they look like after they've been cleaned. Cool thing about this year's crop, Joey pointed out, they almost peel themselves. In previous years, sometimes you'll get a rough year where you're really having to pick that skin off. So all we do, just dip these in water, or in the house, I'll run them under water in the sink, peel off any remaining pieces of the skin. If you have little black accents like that, you can just leave those there. I'll go ahead and pinch off the top, and then I'll open it You can keep seeds if you want to. Some people like to. Most of the time, we'll just wash all the seeds out. And that is a Pueblo roasted green chili, all ready to be stored or eaten. And then repeat the process. I wish you could smell these, or I wish you could have been at the chili festival with me. The smell is absolutely out of this world. That's what got me hooked originally. I was in Acacia Park in Colorado Springs almost 30 years ago. I smelled Pueblo green chilies being roasted. I didn't know what it was. I said, what is that? And I went and I bought 1 or 2 Ziplocs, small bags from the people that were doing it, and I was hooked, and I've been hooked ever since. Ready to eat? Chamber sealer bags. This is how we like to freeze our peppers into the chamber sealer. Ready for the freezer. That's what you see me pulling out and using in my videos. I think I have everything we need to make a delicious Colorado green chili burger. I have my Blackstone 28-inch XL griddle heated on high. It is smoking hot. Avocado oil. It's been my go-to for the past year or two. I always like to start my cooks with an evenly oiled griddle. I just think it helps to maintain that really nice seasoning. Be careful if you are using your bare hands like I am. That's a hot griddle top. You can use tongs or heat-resistant gloves. So plenty of oil. Otherwise, you could just put a little bit where you're putting your patties. This is 80-20 ground beef. Rolled them into meatballs. I'm gonna put them down in the oil. Parchment paper. And down with my Blackstone smash burger tool. I think they used to call it the press and sear burger tool. Smash burgers are delicious, but I also enjoy a traditional pub-style burger. I like them both. Blackstone SPG. You can't go wrong with salt, pepper, and garlic. Tried and true. I'm gonna grab my green chilies. These are cooked already, as you saw at the festival. Just want to warm these up, so I'm gonna put them back here. Make sure they're nice and warm for my burgers. Grab my Blackstone egg rings. Gonna put them down here in the back. If you don't have a smash burger press, feel free to use your spatulas like I'm doing here. Whatever works. Gonna go in for the flip. Ooh, check it out. That's what you want. Check out that caramelization. My goodness, those things are smashed to perfection. These are gonna cook real quick, like another minute. So I'm gonna come down below. I'm actually gonna turn these burners off. That's the benefit of having a Blackstone with more than one burner. We're gonna cook eggs now, so we don't need a lot of heat. Grab some olive oil, avocado spray, whatever you have on hand. The rings are non-stick, but I always spray them as well because you can't be too non-stick. Crack an egg down into my egg ring. Most green chili burgers in Colorado and New Mexico have an egg on top. A little salt, pepper, garlic on the egg. This is smokehouse cheddar. I figured why not go with smoky cheddar since we're mixing all these great flavors with the roasted chili. So a little bit of smokehouse cheddar down on those patties. Brioche buns. You know I love the brioche buns. I don't think the brioche would be a traditional Colorado bun, but I love using brioche buns. I love this type of mayo. Man, folks from Chosen, give me a call. It's all natural. There's nothing in there but good stuff. I love it. I like to put a little bit of mayo inside the bun, inside the heel, inside the crown. You can use butter if you want to, but mayo provides a beautiful, beautiful golden toast. And we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. I think our eggs are just about ready. Remove those egg rings. Ooh, check it out. That's the golden toast that you can get with mayo. Let's stack our patties a little bit like that. Oh man, you're looking good. Chili's gonna go on next. We're gonna go with 2 little pieces crisscrossed on top of each one. Something like that. A little bit of mayo on the heel. The eggs look really good. They're still sunny side up and they have some life left in them. We want to get a nice yolk break later, so we'll put those on there. Grab that. Look at that beautiful cheese skirt, by the way. It's gonna be a beautiful burger. Take a look at that. Now it's time for the yolk break. All right, let's get on in there. Cut this burger in half. See what we're working with. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Look at that. The strata of a Colorado green chili burger. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. How many times can I say my goodness? It was absolutely delicious. I'll check to see if I have the recipe for my green chili burger up at blackstoneproducts.com. It might already be there, so the recipe will be there, good to go. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network because we have a whole bunch of fun shows. And please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. If you're watching to this point, please leave me a comment down below and make sure you're subscribed to the Blackstone channel so every time I upload a video with something delicious like this, you'll know all about it. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Colorado green chili burger.